What's up? It's your guy Naujoxx and welcome to my channel where I am showing you how to land tricks like this one. Just kidding. I wish I could though. Instead, in today's video, I want to show you 5 perfect Christmas gifts for your best friend, boy or girlfriend, or sneakerhead. I thought it'd be nice to start with lower prices, but especially the last gift is for someone who really wants to surprise their best friend with an amazing but very expensive gift. But let's not talk too much and let's get right into the first one. By far the easiest and cheapest idea for a Christmas gift is a sneaker keychain. As everyone has a key to something, those little sneaker keychains can really add a nice detail and make someone smile. Especially for Christmas, this is the perfect gift under $20. And I found Jordan 1 Obsidians, for example, and bought them for a friend of mine. I hope he's not watching. Make sure though that you don't take these flat rubber sneakers because they look a lot worse in my opinion than the other ones. This is probably my favorite Christmas gift idea and you would make me very happy by giving me these. I'm not sponsored by them, but Redbubble really has an insane variety of phone cases. You can pick from regular themes, sport themes, up to designer themes, and a lot more. The only negative thing though is that they only have cases for iPhone or Samsung. I bought 2 very nice themes at the Black Friday sale, and one is that purple Travis Scott design, and the other one is a regular Nike swoosh. If your friend is into sneakers, he definitely needs cleaning products to keep them clean at all times. Therefore, you can make him a huge favor by getting a cleaning kit. That way, you don't have to spend that much money, but you have something very useful and that's perfect for a Christmas gift. It's getting colder recently and nobody likes cold feet at home, right? And if you know someone who always complains about being cold, get them some sneaker loafers. They are so chill, comfortable and nice, and they always look a lot funnier than those usual slippers that people wear at home. Also, they keep your feet warm and that helps out a lot. For this last item, you need a little bit more money. That is a sneaker levitation device and you might have seen one before somewhere on social media. With those, your sneakers seem like they are floating and that's the perfect decoration for your room. The only problem here is that you have to spend about $200 and that might be too much for the most of us. Still, it'd be a crazy Christmas gift and I think everyone would be very happy to get one of those for their room. So if you have this extra budget and you want to make someone very happy, you might consider this one and give it a thought. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching and I hope that I could give you a little inspiration for what to get for Christmas. If you're gifting any of those items, please send me their reactions. Also, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that could be your Christmas gift to me, to see more fashion and photography content. See you in the next videos, over and... He definitely needs cleaning products to keep them clean? Was war denn das? Who want to surprise their best friends with a... See you in the next videos. Over and... delivered.